Then this is a recent project in Tagum City. This is a 2-story office space. So it's a multi-parts of the office. So here on the first floor, we have one big open space for their admin. Then this small space for their kitchen. And this one is for their canteen. Then here, they have male and female bathroom. Then ito yung mga hugasan nila. Going up, ito yung second floor. So ito, hallway, tapos big office area ulit. So sila na bahala paano maglagay ng mga table nila. This one, roof na siya. So the first floor is bigger than the second floor. So ito yung mga night shots natin. Ito naman umulan pag shoot namin, sayang. So on the outside, we would see fluted wall panels, ACP claddings, external lights. Ito, bare lang. Dito sila kakain. Tapos, ang roof dito, insulated. Lahat ng roof actually insulated. Ito naman, nagawa lang ng pocket doors dahil sa feng shui. On the first floor, you would notice these are all cement sa floor. All tiles. So, ang mga walls nila are all cladding. Big glass windows. Kasi this whole place would be air-conditioned. Ito yung kitchen nila. Going up the stairs. Second floor, vinyl tiles. Tapos, ito open area ulit. So, this is very big. This is 14 containers na pinagdugtong-dugtong. Up and down. This is actually very strong din. So, na-reinforce talaga lahat. Ito naman yung mga awning window niya. So, dito receiving yung pagkain in out. Ito na part. Ito siya sa gabi, filled with lights. So, hindi talaga siya mukhang prefab. So, thank you again. Please visit us, talk to our architects. Thank you.